Good morning, Ben. How are you today?
Good morning, Alex. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm ready to start.
Good to hear. Let's begin our morning briefing. Today we'll talk about your task assignments, review equipment readiness, and confirm your understanding of the instructions.
Sure, I've already reviewed the work instruction sheet.
Great. You'll be working on line 3, focusing on PCB assembly. Do you remember the process?
I think so, but a quick review would help.
No problem. You'll operate the pick and place machine to place components on the board.
So first I need to check the feeder trays and load the components, right?
Exactly. And make sure the sensor module is aligned properly. It's very sensitive.
How do I check the alignment?
Use the calibration tool and follow the steps in the standard operating procedure.
Got it. I'll go through the SOP again before I start.
Also, don't forget your personal protective equipment, especially the anti-static wrist strap.
I have it on. Is the ESD mat working properly?
Yes, it passed the ESD test during the night shift.
How many boards do we need to assemble today?
Your target is 300 units by the end of the shift.
Should I report after finishing each batch?
Yes, report after every 50 units. Let me or the shift supervisor know.
Understood. What if the machine stops unexpectedly?
Press the emergency stop button immediately and notify me.
What usually causes the machine to stop?
Most of the time, it's a nozzle blockage or feeder misalignment.
Are spare parts available nearby?
Yes, in the maintenance cabinet near the wall. Make sure to follow the tool checklist when replacing anything.
Will quality control do random checks today?
Yes, they'll do inline inspections at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m.
What exactly are they checking?
They'll check for solder joint quality, component orientation, and board cleanliness.
Should I keep filling out the production log sheet as I go?
Yes, record the time, quantity, and any defects.
What if I notice a defect happening again and again?
Stop the line and inform the line leader immediately.
Are we using the new barcode scanner today?
Yes, you need to scan each PCB lot number before starting a new batch.
And material traceability is tracked automatically.
Yes, through the ERP system after scanning the barcode.
Who is working with me at the second station?
That will be Lena. She's handling visual inspection.
Should I let her know before I start each batch?
Yes, use the two-way radio if she's not close.
Are there any changes in the assembly process?
Just a minor one. The LEDs are now placed before the capacitors.
Good to know. Thanks.
Let's go over a few safety reminders.
Sure.
Keep the work area clean, avoid food or drinks near the machines, and return tools to the tool rack after use.
Got it. Anything specific for the soldering station?
Yes, never leave the soldering iron unattended. Turn it off during breaks.
When is our lunch break today?
From 1200 to 12:30. Be sure to log out from your workstation.
If I finish early, should I assist others?
Yes, support the neighboring station when possible.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
Let's go through your checklist quickly.
Sure.
PPE?
Check.
Tools ready?
Check.
SOP reviewed?
Yes.
Task understood?
Yes.
Good, you're all set.
Thanks, Alex. I'll start the first batch now.
Great, keep me posted on your progress.
Alex, I finished the first 50 boards.
Good, any issues?
2 boards had a slight shift in the components. I caught it before soldering.
Good catch. Make sure to note it in the production log sheet.
Will do. Starting the second batch now. Hey Alex, the feeder seems stuck.
Stop the machine and follow the lockout tagu procedure.
Done. Looks like the component reel is misaligned.
Adjust it carefully and run a dry cycle test before resuming.
Okay, it's back to normal now.
The quality control team will come by in 10 minutes.
I'll tidy up the station and have my documents ready.
They may ask about the SOP and lot number tracking. Be prepared.
Got it, I've been updating everything. Alex, I've completed all 6 batches.
That's great. How many reworks?
Just 2, already fixed.
Well done. Fill out the end of shift report and shut down the machine properly.
Will do. Should I clean the station before logging out?
Yes. Clean everything and return tools to the tool storage area. Let's do the final checklist.
Ready.
SOP followed?
Yes.
Any defects recorded?
Yes, and documented.
Work area cleaned?
All clean.
Good. Great job today, Ben. You're improving quickly.
Thank you. These briefings help me a lot.
Tomorrow, you'll be on line 4. It's a different product, so review the SOP tonight.
I will. See you tomorrow, Alex.
See you. Get some rest.